I'll see you at church.
Is it already time to go?
No. Yeah.
I thought it goes at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, but we have prayer.
I wouldn't go then.
That's okay. When you get there, I'll come out. Prayer.
Alright, I thought it was 2 o'clock.
That's when church starts.
Oh. I'm down here at the pilot right now getting the car washed.
Well, that's fine. We'll leave the back door open, okay?
Okay. I'm dressed. I just gotta get the clothes and stuff.
Yeah, all that stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so we'll just get together at church.
We gotta pay for
All right.
They forgot to pay for it.
Just come and get me or whatever. I'll be in the prayer room. You walk in the prayer room and pray all day.
Alright, I love you.
I forgot to pay for it.
Bye.
Bye.
I forgot to pay for it. I'm recording it for real.
Are you? Stupid asses. Third fucking time. You might be a redneck if you don't have a fucking good car. How many white people does it take to get a car washed? Yeah, we got all day, buddy. It's Sunday. Y'all can take 4 hours to get a car washed. Oh man, let's see. I say, boy, how you doing this there, fella? I'm from Tennessee.
And I'm a redneck.
All right, let's get out the car and look and see what the Sam hell is going on. I don't know what to do. I'm just lost. You need to go over there and you push that there button. That's what I'm telling you. I don't know what button. We can just pull up in there. I just don't know. I really don't know. We're gonna back up even more. Gonna run over this guy behind us. Hold on a minute. Leave it over here. Let me look at this. Well, it looks like. Let me get out of the car. I'll look at it. You don't know what the hell you're doing there, son, gun. It's all right, man.
It's still recording it.
Let me get down here and read this. The store said, push the button. Edit.
What?
They sent her money, but it won't let it go through. Alright, you shut it off now.
Huh?
You shut it off now.